everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Bianca. Collin is somewhere over there, he's coming, but welcome to my channel. I make health, fitness, lifestyle, travel, all types of vlogs over here. So yeah, you guys know by now Collin and I are moving September 8th, so we're about to actually go on vacation to Minnesota. This vlog's kind of gonna be about us prepping and getting ready, packing for Minnesota. We leave Wednesday. Today's Monday, so we leave at like 5 in the morning. It's gonna be a whole separate vlog, but we're just gonna be running errands, kind of like doing our life, working and stuff like that leading up to it. Also, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe and stick around because we have a ton of very exciting videos coming your way soon. So anyways, we're about to head to the gym. I'm going to Orange Theory at 11:30 with my mom, but we're gonna go lift first. I'm gonna go to Orange Theory as many days as I can before this vacation because where we're going there's not one, and I sometimes have Orange Theory withdrawals, so I'm trying to get it all out of the way so I can just go to the gym when we're going on vacation. To the gym today, I'm wearing the high-waisted flex in this green color, and my GYMSHARK Legacy package comes today, so I'm going to be doing a try-on haul in this vlog, and I'm very excited about it. We're doing a try-on haul with the Legacy collection and giving you guys my opinions and stuff. That's exciting. I don't think I can remember the last time I did a GYMSHARK haul in a video because it's been forever since I bought stuff from them, but like recently I just didn't like anything, but I have a feeling that they're coming out with a lot of new stuff because this Legacy collection dropped, then they have like a new Seamless collection dropping. Plus I saw them wearing, like, it looked like new Vital Seamless, so I'm expecting for them to break my bank for the next couple months, but it's okay. So yeah, I don't know where Collin is. Where's Collin? When I was purchasing my GYMSHARK Legacy collection, I accidentally left out a sports bra to the leggings that I bought, which naturally, like, you can't do that, so I had to go back and buy the sports bra, but then I wanted free shipping, so I bought Collin.
I have a present.
Yeah, he knows exactly what it is, but we'll call it that. So we're patiently waiting, and I've checked the door twice now to see if it would come before we went to the gym, and it's not here yet. But yeah, I just got Collin a red sweatshirt because the other day in the bathroom he was like, you know, I never thought that my favorite color would change from blue, but now it's red.
No, it is. It really is. I love red.
So then I was like trying to find stuff, and I saw a red sweatshirt, and I was like, red. So yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome. So, okay, well, I don't think it's coming, so let's just go to the gym, and then I guess it'll come after.
Okay.
What's our game plan for today?
We're doing chest, aren't we?
No, I mean like after. Like, what do we need to do today?
We need to
What's
go
on our to-do list?
and see my mom to go get my phone case and get my thing for my passport. Then
oh yeah,
maybe
Collin
we
has
should
to get a passport.
do the passport stuff today.
Because we're going to the Grand Cayman. Oh yeah, that's news too. So we actually, this isn't like, I mean, it will be a leisurely trip because we're going early, but my mom through Isagenix earned, because they were doing a contest, she earned a trip to the Grand Cayman. Then she gets a +1, so I'm her +1 because we work together, and me being under her helped her get there. So that's why she decided to bring me, which I'm super thankful for. And then Collin's naturally just coming now, so.
I'm just buying a ticket.
Yeah, Collin and I are gonna like pay for his ticket, but my mom and I have like a free room. So we're bringing Collin, but we're gonna go a couple days early and maybe stay a couple days late or something like that, so we can actually like turn it into a vacation. So the man needs a passport because his expired
a long time
ago, yeah. And so we're going to the Grand Cayman, and then you guys already know that we're going back to Cabo in December, and then just other places we're going. He needs a passport, so we need to take care of that for sure.
Very true.
So yeah, we just have a lot to do. I need to start packing and doing laundry today. He's fine, he packs like nothing, so. But
it's just gonna be her packing all her extra stuff in my suitcase. She was like, would you say, what if you're overweight or something? You're like,
yeah,
you're gonna have too much stuff in your bag or something?
No, because he wanted to bring his like whole thing of protein.
Oh yeah,
and then I was like,
well, what if you're
suitcase
overweight?
is gonna be overweight.
Like, and I was like, babe, I don't think you understand that like my suitcases never weigh like close to 50 pounds.
But I have been planning.
Like mine will probably weigh like 15 pounds, and then put the protein in there will probably be like 25 at the most.
Yeah, but be excited for the next vlogs because that's his first time coming. Like, well, we've been on vacation together before, but that's like his first time meeting my whole extended family and coming with us on that vacation in Minnesota, because you guys know we go there like every single year. And we are kind of gonna like film a little bit there, like we'll vlog the whole thing, but it's gonna be condensed into a week. What?
I would say this is like my first actual vacation with you.
We
like,
went to Nashville.
Yeah, but even like though we had like a lot of fun and stuff, and it was like kind of like a
This
vacation.
is like an unplugged.
This is like an actual
Like, relax.
vacation where like
Yeah.
we're not going and like having to do stuff. You know what I
Yeah,
mean? Like
yeah.
it's like we're going and it's like
Relaxing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. We've always been like working and stuff on vacation. Yeah, but we're gonna like film and turn it into a cute like week vlog. Like we're gonna condense it into a week, but I don't want to like pull the camera out in front of my family's face, so it's probably just gonna be mainly us and then my cousin Reagan and Taylor, Reagan and Taylor, when we get there. But we are gonna film it. It's just gonna be like, we kind of want to unplug, so yeah, we'll make it fancy and cute, and you'll still get Colin's like overall experience of my whole entire family and him on a vacation. Just kidding, it'll be great. But yeah, I'm just kind of giving you guys a rundown. It's actually been a long time since I vlogged. I had a bunch of videos pre-recorded. I think I took like what, 5 days off of vlogging? Felt like that. It was nice though, it was like a good break. But now we're back at it, so I'm just giving you guys quick little updates. Also, if you guys saw on my Instagram, I'm just very excited about this, but I am doing a partnership right now with Princess Polly. So if you use my code BiancaXO, you get 20% off your order. I posted it on Instagram, but I wanted to mention it on YouTube because I know some people don't follow me on some different things. So yeah, I think I've covered all the bases of everything. We also got this new pour thing and it looks like a vibrator.
Oh dear God.
Anyways, I got it to get.
Okay,
like,
really though.
You like start it here. I literally bought it on Amazon.
If we're being honest,
it works.
It works, but like my nose is peeling now.
I know, because it got all your dead skin off.
Yeah, it's like peeling.
Yeah, but it totally works. Like it looks so strange, but you just like start here. Oh shit. And you suck. I didn't mean to do that. You like stew up, and then like I like got a bunch of blackheads off of Colin's nose and my nose. It works. It's cool. I had like not even sponsored. Like I just wanted to buy this. I like impulse bought it, and it works. And it's rose gold, my fave. Okay, we can go to the gym now.
Okay.
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 Like repark a little
Colin
bit,
drove for once. Crunch. Okay, lift really quick, then take me to Orange City.
No.
Guys, our GYMSHARK stuff came after working out. We went and ate at Viva Chicken. I'll insert a picture here because I totally forgot my vlog camera, but it was really good. It was Colin's first time, he liked it. But my GYMSHARK stuff came. Also, someone in my mom's apartment complex just got a puppy golden retriever, and Colin and I pet it and my mom missed it and she was so sad.
I'm so sad, but I'm gonna hunt him down.
Oh my god.
We did. We petted
We
it.
did.
I just put a Porsche strip on. That's what it was.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
We ran like across the parking lot to go pet it. So, okay.
Yeah, it was
GYMSHARK
cute.
call.
It was really cute. Her name was, Flurry.
Flurry, yeah.
Yeah.
She was cute.
Fluffy.
Yeah, okay, GYMSHARK haul. Doing an old-fashioned YouTube haul. The lighting's off, the background's a mess. But it's okay, because we're about to move. So, first of all, before this GYMSHARK action, I got these new tennis shoes. They're so cute. They're from Adidas. They are the Light Racer. Don't know what RBN stands for, but that's what the tag says. So yeah, they just look like this. They're really cute. Wanted a new pair of shoes. I really liked them. I'll have them linked down below for your convenience. Okay, let's talk about what I got from the Legacy collection. So, first things first, I accidentally forgot to buy the sports bra to this pair. So that's coming next Wednesday with the red sweatshirt that was my fault. But I got the leggings in this color, and then I also got the leggings in the black, which I'll try them all on after I just show you guys what I got first. So these are the only two colors that I got just because I didn't know if I was gonna like them for sure or not. So I didn't want to like get all of them. And then I also got the matching sports bras, so then the other color is coming. But I have this black one, and also it's more of a cottony material, and I just thought it was gonna be silky. I didn't read the material before I bought it, clearly, but I thought that it was gonna be a totally different material than it is, but it's really soft, so I feel like I'll sweat a lot in it, which I'm kind of excited about. And then I also got this cropped hoodie because I thought it was so cool. Doesn't it look so cool? Yeah, Colin Bruce.
I like it.
So I got the black one, which I'll try on. And then I also got this long sleeve shirt because, I don't know, I thought it was really cool too. It buttons up, and then it has like the Legacy original logo on the back. And it's just like a long sleeve, and you know, winter's coming, so. That's what I got from the Legacy collection. I'm gonna try it on. Here's the black collection. I actually did get a medium in the pants because everyone said to size up, so I did. But here's what the sports bra looks like on. Had a couple meals today, so just letting everyone know. And here's the leggings. Okay, so got a small in this. It just like barely covers the sports bra. So the full outfit, I like it a lot actually. This sweatshirt is definitely cool.
I like it.
Yeah, this is dope. It's got kind of like a wider boat neck though, but then the logo up here in the front comes up a little higher than the leggings. Here it is from the side. Side view, front view, other side view. I like this. This is cool. I'm a fan. I got this in a medium too, actually, now that I think about it. Okay, now you can see the detailing in this pair so much better. I got a medium in these too. But can we get up close and personal? There's the logo. Oh, it's got side pockets. See, this is just so much easier to show you guys now that I'm up in this angle. Okay, well that's cool. I didn't realize it had pockets. It just comes up there. My sports bra is coming, but it's just gonna look just like the black one. So, yeah, that's everything I got from the Legacy collection now. Besides that one sports bra and that sweatshirt for Collin that I totally thought was coming today and it wasn't coming today. I need to do laundry and then you need to do laundry. So I'm gonna do that right now. Good morning. We are checking in for our flights. We are all going to Orange Theory today instead of going to Crunch because it's our last Orange Theory day. I told you guys that. So we're all going. Sports bra is from Aloe Yoga and it's very cute. I have not worn it yet to like Orange Theory, but it's cute. And then my hat's Adidas, and then my Vital Seamless leggings from GYMSHARK. These are one of my favorite collections. But yeah, this is my fit. I crushed Orange Theory.
Orange Theory crushed me.
That's how it usually goes. But okay, so we have a ton of errands to run. First of all, we need to eat because Collin's about to pass out.
I feel like I could die right now. Here's the deal. We got back and for like the past few days, my ear has just been bothering me. Almost like an ear infection, but it's just been like really clogged and now it's just like actually really hurting. And we tried to like fix it last night and kind of fixed it. And then I used a Q-tip and I'm pretty sure that I like messed it up because I used the Q-tip and like probably shoved wax like further back into my ear. So now we're going to the urgent care because we're about to go out of town tomorrow at 5 a.m. So I really just want to get this fixed. Yeah, it hurts really bad. So we're gonna go and hopefully I'm just gonna get like my ear flushed out so that it gets like all the shit out of my ear. That way it feels great. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. And then we're gonna go to get food and run some errands, get some stuff.
He literally needs bathing suits.
We get bathing suits and like some sandals.
We're gonna go get lunch. I pretty much already packed up like everything last night. I'm not bringing as much as I brought.
Yeah, I do need to pack. But it's gonna take me like 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 to 30 minutes max. So I'm not worried.
Yeah, okay, well.
But all right, just wanted to update you guys.
About what happens at the doctor.
Yeah, we'll let you know.
Watch them be like, you actually have a bug in your ear.
Peace out. If I did, I would freak out so bad. I'd be like, don't look at me. I grabbed the thermometer.
She goes, is your high
you normally have a high blood pressure?
Is your blood pressure high?
No, maybe it was because we just worked out. But then I had like 119 over 16. I don't know what the second number was.
I don't either.
I think she said it was normal after I did it again.
He weighs 198 pounds.
Don't you do that to me.
Collin wants to be in the 200s.
I was 205 and now I'm 198.
Oh, help.
Because of the internship, it made me lose weight. I'm convinced.
What the struggles. All girls comment below. Who wishes they were in that predicament?
I want to be like 225.
Of muscle?
Mm-hmm. Alright, so for being completely honest, I feel like a brand new human being right now. My ears feel better than they've ever felt in my life. I got both of them flushed out, and if you guys have ever seen Stranger Things and you've seen season 3 and you've seen the monster that gets made from the people that just like their bodies fall apart, that's what it looked like what came out of my ear. It was like a giant booger in both ears. It was so nasty.
Ew.
Bianca saw it. Don't even. It was gross. It was really gross.
Oh, the woman who did it was hilarious.
Yeah, the woman who did it, she was really funny. She was nice. But yeah, anyways, So they did it, and then when she did the first one and I saw it and she showed it to me, I was like, oh my God, don't show Bianca. I was like, don't show her, it looks terrible. But then she did the second one and then Bianca saw it, so.
Now we're in Target.
Oh my gosh.
Do you like those? You're just the star of the vlog today.
I know, right? It was my ears, now it's my feet.
Found this like cute romper thing. I'm getting this romper to go over my bathing suits because it looks cute. Eating at Yaffo. Took a break. Smiles. Packing up all my suits for the trip. Everyone always asks where I get my suits from, and I get a lot of them from ASOS and Nasty Gal and PacSun, like this yellow one and the green one. They're both on my Instagram, but they're both from PacSun. I get some from Free People and Revolve when they're like on sale. Like this blue one's from Revolve, but I got it back when it was on sale. So yeah, but we're just packing up. So we have to be like out of the house leaving tomorrow by like what time? 5? 6?
No, I thought we said 8. Wait, no, it was 6, right?
Yeah, but we're gonna ask my mom if we can leave earlier because we want to like take a picture at the
Take
airport.
a nice departure photo.
And like, if you guys know me, it takes me a minute to take pictures.
On the airport?
On the airport, in the airplane. I'm wearing this new Lululemon jacket I got, plus like black leggings and a black tank top and my new tennis shoes. I wonder if you guys comment below, do you like when influencers post like multiple pictures in a day and like flood the Instagram stories? Or do you think it's like overkill? Comment below your opinions, because I would like to know. I'm not the best at doing Insta stories. I also got a package from Halo Top and I don't know why. Like, I guess they must have just put me on, I'm like on their PR list or something.
Blessing us.
Yeah, it was like
their pops.
popsicle,
So
but it's like ice cream popsicles. I don't know. I'm not working with them at the moment though, so
Strawberry
I guess they
cheesecake
just sent it to us. But yeah. Anyways, so I'm gonna keep packing. I feel like this is such a chill vlog, but like we've just been so busy and like running around. Yeah, I don't know. I just feel like we're all over the place right now, especially since we're about to move and we're like trying to
I think
save
it's
money.
also because like it's only been like
you
a
just
few
got
days
home.
since I just got here, and
Yeah.
then we're already like going on vacay, so it hasn't been like we've had time to really settle down and get everything organized.
Yeah,
and
like
stuff.
we've got no schedule at the moment, and just like a ton of work to do, a ton of people reaching out for ISA, a ton of like YouTube things that have to be done. It's just like it never stops, but it's okay. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying I'm like, just if I'm delayed into like responding or answering or replying, it's probably because I'm like very overwhelmed. I know this is like super chill and not like our normal like fun vlogs, but just bear with us because we're about to go on vacay and we're gonna like film
vacay vlog.
Watch out for the fan. Oh my goodness. If you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the moving vlogs, any of the decor, shopping, empty apartment, tour, all that stuff is all coming.
Good.
We're just trying to get back in the zone and back like on a schedule and stuff, so yeah, that's definitely not gonna happen until after we're back from vacation, and then like we come home for a couple days and then we leave again to go on another one really quick. It's like a 3-day one. It's quick with my dad, and then yeah, I'm just trying to give you guys like updates. We're just chatting, so I think we've talked it all. I'm tired and I want to watch Game of Thrones, so we're gonna go to bed and we will see you guys in my next vlog.
Peace.
Bye.